morning, everyone. My name is Roshni from class 8C, Delhi Public School, Khana. Today I will tell you about coronavirus. Origin. Coronavirus is related to group of RNA virus corona constitute other subfamilies of orthocoronavirus. On 31st last year, Chinese authorities alerted the World Health Organization (WHO) of an outbreak of novel strain of coronavirus. Chemical composition of COVID-19. Coronaviruses are group of large size, spherical, positively sensed, non-segmented as single-stranded RNA with genus size 26 to 32 kb. It is effective to both. Mode of transmission. Respiratory infection can be transmitted through droplets of different sizes. Droplet transmission occurs when an infected person comes in contact with other person. When the droplet particles are 5 to 10 in diameter, they are referred to respiratory droplets. According to the current evidence, COVID-19 virus is primarily transmitted through respiratory. Epidemiology. Globally, more than 12 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 have been reported. Since the first report of Wuhan in United States, COVID-19 have been reported in 50 states and at least 4 territories. Mechanism of action. Humans have long infected by coronavirus. It is one of those responsible for common cold. Encodes 4 structural proteins, nucleopids, proteins, membranes, spines, proteins, and envelope, and several non-structured proteins. RNA that allows the virus to hijack human cells and turn them into virus factories. COVID-19 genome is comprised of 30 lakh nucleotides. You can see. Reason of spreading. When people with COVID-19 breathe out or cough, thus they expel tiny droplets that contains virus. These droplets can enter the mouth or nose of some without the virus cause infection to occur. The most common way the illness spreads through close contact with someone who has infection. Close contact is within around 6 feet. Symptoms of disease. People with these symptoms may have COVID-19, fever or chills, cough, tiredness. Precautions. Clean your hands by using soap and water or use alcohol-based hand rub. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. Wear a mask when physical distance is not possible. Maintain a safe distance while anyone is coughing. Treatment. There is no specified treatment for this disease caused by a novel coronavirus. However, many of symptoms can be treated and therefore treatment based on the patient's clinical conditions. Thank